Millionaire moves. Swift steps to save and prosper. This is your roadmap to cultivating a prosperous future. We believe in simplicity, and our goal is to empower you with strategies that can be easily incorporated into your daily life. Let's explore swift and effective methods to save money, and mindful steps that lead to lasting financial success. Number 1. Budgeting. Creating a detailed budget is like having a financial map. It shows you exactly where your money is coming from and where it's going. Break down your income and expenses, including even the smallest things, to get a clear picture of your income. This way, you can make better decisions about your money, steer clear of unnecessary debt, and start building up your savings. Imagine it as a tool that helps you prioritize what matters most to you. Instead of wondering where your money went, you'll be in control, making choices that align with your goals. A budget guides you to financial success by managing your expenses, big and small, and making your money work for you. So, start budgeting today and take charge of your financial journey. 2. Meal planning. Meal planning is like having a game plan for what you're going to eat. It's a way to save money because you're not constantly ordering expensive takeout. Think of it as being the boss of your own kitchen, creating delicious meals without breaking the bank. The cool part is that it also nudges you towards healthier options. And here's the kicker. It stops you from buying extra stuff you don't need, so you're not throwing away food. It's like having a secret weapon for your wallet and your well-being. Meal planning is basically a smart strategy to eat well, save money, and cut down on wasted food. 3. Bulk buying. Buying in bulk is a savvy move because it's like getting a discount without any fancy tricks. You pay less for each thing when you grab non-perishable items in bigger amounts. It's a bit like a sale that's always there. The key is to grab things you'll really use. Otherwise, you might find yourself drowning in a sea of stuff you don't need. So, it's not just about getting more. It's about getting more of what you'll actually use. It's a simple way to save money without making your life complicated. Bulk buying is like having a secret tool for your budget. You get what you need at a better deal. 4. Limit eating out. Reducing your frequency of eating out is crucial for your wealth growth. Constantly dining out can quickly drain your finances. Instead of frequenting restaurants, opt for more budget-friendly options. This shift allows you to take control of your spending and avoid the financial strain associated with frequent restaurant visits. Limiting eating out not only curtails unnecessary expenses, but also contributes significantly to the growth of your savings. Choosing to dine out less accelerates your savings, ensuring stronger long-term financial stability. It's a smart move to ensure your cash and build a stronger foundation for your future. 5. Cashback apps. Picture this. Every time you buy something, you get some money back. And that's exactly what cashback apps make happen. These apps work for all sorts of purchases, from groceries to online shopping, giving you rewards or straight-up cash for the money you spend on everyday stuff. It's like scoring a discount, but it happens after you've already made your purchase. This setup gives you a sweet reason to dive into these apps and make a little extra cash with each shopping spree. Next time you shop for essentials or treat yourself online, use a cashback app for extra rewards. It's a simple and effective way to get a little extra out of your regular spending habits. Join us at braylnavy.com and take the first step towards financial growth. Don't miss out on this opportunity to enhance your financial knowledge. Subscribe today. 6. Avoid impulse buying. When you're heading to the store, make a shopping list and stick to it. This way, you won't end up buying stuff on a whim that you didn't plan for. Making a list helps you stay focused and prevents you from spending money on things you don't really need. So, before you hit the shops, take a few minutes to plan what you actually need, and stick to that list when you're out there. It's a simple trick to keep your spending in check and save some cash. Remember, every dollar you avoid spending on impulse buys is a dollar you can use for something more important, like saving up for something you really want or need. 7. Free entertainment. Having a good time doesn't always have to cost money. Check out free activities like going to parks, visiting museums, or attending community events. Not only do these options offer entertainment, but they also help you save money that you might have spent on more expensive things. When you're looking for a fun time that won't break the bank, consider these alternatives. You'll still have a blast without emptying your wallet. Plus, exploring free activities is a smart way to balance your budget while enjoying yourself. Next time you're planning something fun, think about these budget-friendly options for an enjoyable time without the hefty price tag. 8. Refinance loans. Check out your loans and think about refinancing to get better interest rates. Doing this can make a big difference by lowering how much you have to pay overall, which means more money stays in your pocket in the long run. It's a clever financial move that can really help your budget and set you on the path to doing well financially. Refinancing is like giving your loans a little makeover, making them work better for you and saving you some extra cash. So, when you're thinking about your financial future, consider giving your loans a checkup and see if refinancing could be a smart move for you. It's all about finding ways to make your money work better for you in the long haul. 9. Sell unused items. If you've got stuff lying around that you don't need, consider decluttering and selling it. It's a cool way to tidy up your space and, at the same time, put some extra money in your pocket. Take a look around, find things you're not using, and turn them into cash. It's like hitting two birds with one stone. You get organized, and your wallet gets a little boost. Whether it's clothes you've outgrown, gadgets you don't use anymore, or anything else, there's likely someone out there willing to buy it. So, why not turn your clutter into cash and make both your space and your wallet happier in the process? 10. Limit credit card usage. When it comes to credit cards, it's important to use them wisely to steer clear of unnecessary debt. Keep a close eye on how much you're using your credit card, making sure it's only for essential purchases and emergencies. This way, you stay in control of your money and avoid piling up debt that could hold back your financial progress. Always be mindful of when and how you use your credit card, and take steps to build a secure financial future. It's about being smart with your money moves and making sure your credit card doesn't become a ticket to debt troubles. By using it wisely, you're setting yourself up for a more financially stable and successful tomorrow. 11. Automatic savings. Here's a smart trick for saving and getting richer: set up automatic transfers to your savings account. It's like putting your money on autopilot, making sure a steady stream of cash goes into your savings without you even thinking about it. This simple move is like having a little money helper working for you all the time. You don't have to stress about it, and it adds up over time, building up your savings effortlessly. So, if you want to grow your money without the hassle, set up those automatic transfers and watch your savings stack up bit by bit. It's a small step that can make a big difference in your financial future. 12. Cancel unused services. Time to save money. Check your expenses for unused services like streaming or magazines. If you find any, consider canceling them. It's like tidying up your money stuff. By cutting out what you don't need, you declutter expenses and save cash. You can use the saved money for your goals or a special treat. It's a straightforward way to make sure your money goes where it really counts and stops going to things you don't even use. Take a peek at your subscriptions, cancel what you don't need, and watch your money do more for you. Let the principles of swift steps to save and prosper be your compass in the vast sea of personal finance. Continue to refine your money habits, stay informed, and remain committed to the journey of financial growth. Applying these steps transforms your financial landscape, empowering a life of abundance and purpose. The journey to prosperity is ongoing, and equipped with these lessons, you can navigate confidently. May your financial journey be both rewarding and fulfilling.